We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive and detailed overview of the Adidas Alliance Sackpack, a lightweight small gym bag designed primarily for women, but suitable for unisex use. This drawstring backpack stands out for its classic design, practical features, and durable construction, making it a popular choice for athletes and casual users alike. The bag measures approximately 1 by 13.75 by 18 inches and weighs just over 10 ounces, which contributes to its lightweight nature and ease of carrying. It is crafted with sturdy materials that provide a solid feel without bulk, ensuring it can withstand regular use whether for gym sessions, sports activities, or casual outings. One of the key features of the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is its convenient storage options. It includes a zippered exterior pocket that secures small items such as wallets, keys, or phones, keeping them easily accessible and organized. Additionally, the bag is equipped with dual mesh bottle pockets on both sides, which is a thoughtful design element for hydration on the go. Users have appreciated these pockets as they allow quick access to water bottles during workouts or team sports without needing to open the main compartment. The main compartment itself is spacious enough to hold gym essentials like shoes, clothes, snacks, and other personal items, making it multifunctional for different uses. The drawstring closure with durable cording straps offers quick and hassle-free access to the bag's contents. The drawstrings are thick and concealed internally, giving the bag a clean and sleek exterior look. While some users have noted that the material around the drawstring is thick, requiring a bit of strength to pull tight initially, this tends to improve with use. The straps are adjustable and comfortable, designed to place the bag securely against the middle of the back, which helps distribute weight evenly and reduces strain. However, some users have mentioned that the length of the shoulder strings can become asymmetric over time, requiring occasional adjustment. Durability is a standout aspect of this sackpack. The material is thicker and more robust compared to typical thin nylon bags, which translates to a sturdy feel and long-lasting use. Many users have praised the bag for holding up well under various conditions, including hiking, gym workouts, and daily commuting. The thick cords also prevent discomfort that thinner strings can cause by digging into the shoulders. This durability makes it a reliable option for those who need a bag that can endure heavy use without showing signs of wear quickly. In terms of style, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack offers a modern and versatile look. The camouflage Wonder Beige, Onyx Gray, Illumina Beige colorway is subtle yet stylish, suitable for both sports and casual wear. The design balances functionality with aesthetics, appealing to users who want a practical bag without compromising on appearance. The bag's clean lines and lack of oversized branding make it a discreet choice for those who prefer minimalistic gear. Users have found this sackpack to be excellent value for its price point, often around $15, which is considered affordable for the quality and features it delivers. The bag's capacity of approximately 745 cubic inches provides ample space for essentials without becoming bulky or cumbersome. It is particularly favored by basketball players who appreciate the room for shoes and gear, as well as by hikers and gym enthusiasts who need a lightweight yet sturdy bag. Some minor drawbacks have been noted. The cinch closure does not fully close the bag at the top, which could be a concern in rainy conditions as water might seep in. Additionally, while the exterior pockets are convenient, there is no small internal pocket for organizing tiny items like money, cards, or tissues, which some users would prefer. Despite these small issues, the overall consensus is that the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is a practical, durable, and stylish gym bag that meets the needs of active individuals. In summary, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is a well-designed drawstring gym bag that combines lightweight comfort with robust construction and thoughtful features. Its spacious main compartment, secure zippered pocket, and dual mesh bottle holders make it versatile for various activities. The thick, adjustable drawstrings ensure ease of carrying and durability, while the clean design suits both sports and casual use. Users appreciate the excellent value for money and the bag's ability to hold up under regular use. Whether for basketball, hiking, gym workouts, or everyday errands, this sackpack offers a reliable and stylish solution. If you own this bag, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for your purchase.